All right, man. So we just pulled up to Ford. Got the wrap over here, but they got a couple Shelby Raptors. Look, let's check them out real quick. Now this one is really nice. I like this. This gray is pretty sick. It's the Baja version. They don't got a sunroof up there. It looks like they got a bar to hold on to. Nothing really special. I think mine's is kind of killing this one off, to be honest with you. The only difference is this one does come with like a tune and stuff like that. And then it does have a little bit different of a hood. No big deal. Wheels and everything is pretty much the same. It does have this little tire rack or whatever on the back. Pretty decent little truck. Now they got another a red one over here. We can check that one out real quick. Now this red one is nice. These things go for, I believe this is the same one that was here. They just sold it for $125,000. This Raptor right here. It's crazy to think. We pretty much have the same truck. We got the same bumpers. He just got this little tire rack in the back. And this one does have the sunroof. So this one is top of the line like my truck. However, this one does have 525 horsepower. I believe it's got mine's beat by maybe like 60 horses. But the hood and everything on this thing is a little bit more beefed up than mine. So you change the hood, you get a little bit more, you get that tune and stuff. I think it has a different suspension system, not really sure, but all in all, pretty fair, man. Let's hop in mines, though. They didn't even wash mines up. That's terrible. They're like, yeah, bro, you want to wash? Yeah, man, wash me up. All right, man, we just gonna finish it and leave it out here all dusty. Crazy, but we got like a oil leak, and then our rear diff needs to get serviced. So we got an appointment for the next couple of days to come back up here. So not really worried about washing it right now. I'll just have them do it then. But it is what it is, man. Being that the car is still under warranty and everything is like pretty much free. So just got to schedule it in and it'll be good to go. Alrighty, guys. Next day here, man, I was going to take the fender. In yesterday to get painted black, but you guys decided whoever the winner will be will get to choose their color. Now, when I say color, that means body tins only. So everything you see black here will be painted, of course. Outer fairing, inner fairing. This, that's part of the inner fairing, but this little piece right here, gas tank, side covers, bags, of course, fender. And then I might get these color matched for you, have them painted too. I might, just depending on how it'll look. But can't wait. Tickets are already selling out at this point. We are filming. We got about 114 tickets left. I got these bags over here. Now I'm about to go upstairs and order some more parts because I want this thing to look really nice when I bring it to you. And I want it to look like, I want it to have some of my flavor, man. So you guys are gonna pick the color, and I'm gonna add a little, couple little things just to make this thing pop way more. So stay tuned for that. About to go up here and order these parts real quick, though. Alrighty, guys, man, we done freaking won another bike, dog, and that thing is in Oklahoma. I'm trying to figure out right now if I want to hit the road rolling while it's still sun up or what. Because if we do get there in time, it'll be like Thursday. So I kind of want to hop on the road as soon as possible. So we'll just have to see. But I am filling up now. I did try to find some shipping prior to. So if somebody hits me up before I hit the road, then hey, we're in the money. But you know how that goes. So we'll just stay tuned. But I can't wait to see what we won, man. Back at the crib, man. I was going to ride it for y'all for a sec, man. But I'm trying to hit the road, get up out of here and go get that other bike. We got to go to Oklahoma City, man. So any YouTubers out there want to link up, auto auction rebuilds, lucky wheels and deals, get at your boy, man. Let's get it in. But the black bike is up for raffle, man. So make sure you go log in right now and get your ticket left, because we got about 97 tickets as we're speaking right now, man. So I'm about to go just load the truck up with the ramp and the straps and maybe a set of clothes or something. And then I'm going to get out of here, man. So I'm going to have to catch y'all on the road, dog.